Hi everyone, it's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my visitors, which is about 40% of the people that visit my channel. They're non-subscribers, and then I have about 60% that are subscribers and regular visitors. So I just want to welcome my visitors, my new subscribers, and my wonderful subscribers that stay with me and leave me such beautiful comments for each video I upload. You're all welcome here, and I love sharing heart with all of you. So I just wanted to come on today and share what I'm going to start calling Saturday morning makes. I want to encourage everybody to actually get inky, get crafty, and share something you've made on Saturday. It can also be on Sunday, but weekend makes, if you will. But I'm going to call it Saturday morning makes because I give myself a little bit of time on Saturday mornings, if possible, to always try and get inky before I get busy doing all my chores. It's my little treat to myself. So I'm coming on today to share what I was able to get made while I was actually on the phone talking with family members and, just checking in with people. I put them on speaker and I stamp and color, and then I throw some cards together. And that's usually how my Saturday mornings go. So I wanted to come on and just share what I made today. So I'm going to go through the products I used first. I used my beloved Eyelet Primitive Hearts from IO Stamps. And it's this die number, and these are ones that Anna White designed, and I've shared them many, many times. I know some of you are probably sick of hearing all this, but for those of you that are just joining my channel or want to know the products, I try to share them on every video at the beginning. This is a set of stamp type outline dies from Avery Elle. This is the company name, Avery Elle. They're available at Simon Says Stamp as well as at their own website and many other places, I'm sure. This is a set of dies, from Frantic Stamper that I really enjoy using a lot, and it's called Arches Frames. You can see the sizes of the different pieces there. So I use that set. I use some scallop circles from Spellbinders that I've had forever. I use the set of Dynamics, which is a dotted circle set. And I use this Expressions 1 sentiment set from Irala Miha shop on Etsy. This is just a portion of it, but I am working my way through that, and that is a digital printable. And then I also wanted to share some stamps that I got recently from Whippersnapper. These are some stamps illustrated by Anna that I picked out. Actually, I don't know, I think I ordered them for Christmas for myself. But I keep forgetting to share them, and they're upstairs on my desk and where I'm crafting most of the time now because my son is using our scrapbooking and stamping area for school. So I brought them down on the weekend here so I could share them, but it's this beautiful set here. And I got this one specifically for the beautiful Christmas sentiments and the cancellation stamp here, but also for this postcard image. Which is a great little background type thing to add. And then she also has some wings and a beautiful snowflake there, and then all of these lovely sentiments. And I love how all the sentiments are in different fonts, which is really nice because then you can kind of match it up to the card that you're making. I also got this set, and I picked this one out because I love this, Welcome to the Neighborhood. I thought these were adorable little mushrooms. And this little hill is so cute. And you can, I've seen some examples using this set. I love this little house and this poodle. So it's just really cute. Look at all the sweet things. Look at the cute tree. So, and again, these are illustrated by Anna. I love that sunshine. So I got that one. And then I also, probably the thing I make cards for the most is birthdays. And there were some really neat birthday sentiments in this set. So best wishes, you're still having birthdays. I love that one. It made me laugh. Then it has birthday greetings, you make me smile. And then the main reason I got it was for this little background stamp that says all things with love. Friendship is love without her wings. This is, there is time for everything. Learn as if you were to live forever. A true friend. So it's just a little background stamp with all these different lines. And you can pause the video and look at it. So, and I also really like this Believe in Miracles. So you are a dear friend. There's just wonderful things in this set. So I picked this one out too. And this one's called All Things with Love. So the other ones were called, this one's called Hello Neighbor. And this one's called North Pole Post. Okay. And those again are available at Whippersnapper Designs. So today for my Saturday morning makes, I used some of the stamps that I showed in my previous video that I got for my birthday this year. So these are stamps from Impression Obsession. They're by a designer named Alessa Baker. And I shared them on a previous video, but there's her information. It's Alessa Baker Designs. And you can go to the stamps sorted by the designer on their website, and you can select her particular stamps if you want. You can also plug them in by the number. So this one's K9986. This one, let's see if I can give you the number. This one's called Nested Cups, and it's D8224. Okay, and that's the image. And then this adorable baby little snowman is called Snow Baby 1, and it's C8291. Okay, and you can type the number in the search field, and these stamps will come up. So if you go to their website, they're really easy to find, and then there's also usually samples made with them. So those are the stamps that I used, and I'm going to show you my Saturday morning makes. Okay, so here is this adorable angel, and I added a face to her at the last minute. This is how it comes, and it looks cute just like this, don't get me wrong. But as I was looking at the card and everything, I just decided to go ahead and draw in eyes and a mouth. And I did her cheeks with just some pink, and I added some little dots for freckles. So the background of this is that Arches frame, and I was trying to give it kind of a rustic gardening look, as if she's standing in front of an old stone wall or something, and it's a sunny blue day, blue sky day. So I used some book paper, and then I used some Distress Oxide ink to just lightly brush over the text paper to make a background of like blue sky. And then of course I just colored her as simply as I could. I'm not an excellent colorer. I'm learning to shade, but it's not my strong suit. But I did the best I could, which is all any of us can do. We're all artists, and we all have different skill levels, things that we're really good at, things that we're still learning. So I am learning to color as I go along, and really I'm learning to shade. I think everybody can color. We all went through kindergarten, right? Anyway, I added the happy birthday down there, and I did just use some tea dye ink around all of the edges. And I don't know if you can see it, but in the background there is a kind of like a fence style embossing folder that I use that kind of looks like little pieces of fencing or something. So I put that in the background. And then when you open up the card, it's just got kind of a inked piece of paper inside, and you'll notice that on this one I also scissored the edges to make it rough, because I was just trying to go for kind of a rustic card. And so I did that the same on the front here. I just use a scissor to rough up the edges, and then I ink it with tea dye ink, tea dye distress ink. So that's how that card came out, and this is again the image. Okay, and then for my second Saturday morning make, I decided to keep Christmas all year long, and I stamped that little snowman, and that baby snowman is so cute. And I used Anna's heart dies that I showed you guys. They're called the Eyelet Primitive Heart Dies from Impression Obsession. And I had already cut this out on book paper, and I had it in my stash upstairs. So I used that, and then I colored up the snowman and hand cut the snowman out and added it to the tag on a little tiny bit of foam tape to just give it a little bit of dimension. And then the For You is from the sentiment strip set that I showed you called Expressions 1 from Arala Miha Shop. And it just says For You, and I used a little bit of white ink to just add snowflake dots and to reinforce the snowflake dots that are part of the stamp so that it would pop a little bit. And then I just tied some twine through the top, and I added a little tiny piece of yarn tied into a bow. And this is some chenille yarn that I have. So, and it just says For You. So a simple little Christmas tag. And that was my second make. And again, this one uses this beautiful wood stamp. So, and I love getting wood stamps. They're just fun to have. They're decorative, and this one is just totally charming. So that's my second make for Saturday. Saturday Morning Makes. And then my third make is this beautiful image, and I will show you the stamp again. Again, this one's called Nested Cups, and I just stamped it on to some white cardstock. I believe it's Paper Tray Inks Stampers Select White. And I colored it with Copics, and I added a little bit of white gel pen to kind of highlight the eggs and the dots in the center of the little violets. And then I stamped a background in music paper, which I didn't bring that stamp down, but any music paper background stamp would work. And after I stamped the background, I cut the scallop circle out, and then I matted them together. And I also cut this purple gingham, and this purple gingham is actually paper that Marilyn G gave me. Hi Marilyn! If you guys haven't been to Marilyn's channel lately, go check out her rainbow tags. I shared her video, I think yesterday or the day before. She made the most adorable rainbow tags, and they are so cute. I just about died. Marilyn, they are so adorable. So go check her out. Go check out those tags, you guys. But anyway, this is paper that she sent to me, and I just felt like doing something in purple. Erica, who's Scrap Diva 29, she loves the color purple, and I was thinking of her when I was making this. And this just says, with appreciation. If you don't follow Erica, who's Scrap Diva 29, she always is sharing beautiful makes. She made a beautiful Heart Valentine Day box the other day that I saw. So be sure and go visit her too. And as you know, Anna White, whose stamps I just shared, and this is the postcard stamp that I used kind of in the background of this circle a little bit. Anna is back doing videos, so make sure you go and visit Anna White's channel and subscribe if you haven't. And then a friend of mine, Sherry Nelson, who many of you will know from Instagram and just the incredible cards on her blog that she's been posting for years. I know she's designed for several different companies over the years, but she just started a YouTube channel, and I did share it recently. I hope that you guys go and visit her. Her name is Cherry Nelson, and I will link all these channels down below, but please go and support the various channels, and if you know of any channels that I should go visit, if I'm not subscribed to you, please leave me a comment and I will go and check you out. I've been really trying to visit everybody that comments my channel. I'm trying to visit and see if you have a channel and you're sharing hearts so that I can go and take a look. So if I haven't visited you, please leave me a comment. Okay, you guys, that is it. These are the cards that I made, or the 2 cards I made and the tag for Saturday Morning Makes. And I had a lot of fun playing. I now have a bunch of chores and different things I need to go take care of. So I'm going to go get to work. I'm done playing for the day, but I hope that you enjoyed taking a look at the products and the makes that I created with these stamps. All right, everybody have a lovely weekend, okay? Choose joy, be happy. Bye now.